Ruang Volcano in Indonesia is known for its frequent eruptions, but locals are still amazed by the sheer magnitude every time. This recent eruption was no exception. It sent a plume of smoke and ash soaring 19 kilometers high. Naturally, everyone rushed to capture the event on their phones, though they did so from neighboring islands where they were safe. You can't help but feel sorry for the owner of this shop. The poor guy will show up in the morning only to find nothing but water. Looks like a clear signal to turn around and head in the opposite direction.